Okay, man, got another thing coming. Alright, today's installment, which is actually the same as the last installment, because it's a rainy day and I'm having fun in my man cave. Alright, I showed you this little pink rig that I wanted to redo. The headlights are broke off and the chassis is all bent, and I'm not really feeling these pink running boards. The body's in played with condition, but it's not bad shape. But it needs a little restoration. So I'm going to use this one here. This is brand spanking new that I bought at an antique store, and I bought like, I don't know, 6 or 8 of them just for parts. So we're going to take the parts from this one and fix this one up because I don't have this one in this color. I like this casting, so we're going to restore this one. I'm a resurrectionist, so I like to take broken things and fix them. So here we go. I've already drilled it apart, and we're going to take it apart. You can see the chassis plate here is all bent. It got pretty well played with, pretty hard. So good part about this swap is I don't have to make axles or anything. It's just a matter of pulling it apart and swapping pieces. So that's the chassis we're going to use with the white wall tires. And we're going to use, instead of the pink interior, we're going to lose that, and we're going to go with the black. And I'm not feeling that whole pink hued engine thing either, so we're going to lose that. And we're going to go with the chrome unit. And the pink windows I'm not digging. So we're going to use the sort of, what is this, is it bluish? Sort of a tinted blue window. So we'll reassemble all that and see what that looks like. Okay. Maybe it won't look, oh, that looks pretty nice. The black running boards and the chrome's got new headlights now, and we'll slam it on the new chassis. Just like that. Like that. Okay. See how it just snapped on there? That looks bad. Way better. Way more better. Now why? Interesting. Interesting. The wheels don't want to roll. Why is that? The wheel's too wide? What happened? The wheels roll. Well, still, it looks like the fenders don't fit all that great. Maybe we might have to do a little massage. See, look at that. The wheels don't line up with the fender opening. That's whack. Huh. What happened? It's the same casting. The wheels are the difference. I wonder if the fenders, if I swap the fenders around, what would happen? Nope, same thing. Alright, let me get my Dremel here and do a little tweaking. We gotta have them roll, man. Gotta have them roll. My cordless Dremel died, so I got this wired rig here. I actually dug this out of the trash can at work, so I got a little backup. Alright, let's see how that fits. Yeah. Alright. I won't be racing it, so it's not a big deal. It's just my little static model. Alright. That really looks sharp, man, with the wheels and the black running boards. Okay, let's tap her out. Sure is a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun, man. Alright. Wish I could do more of it. Start doing requests, but my work schedule is pretty hectic these days, so I gotta hit it when I can. Somebody had posted on one of my other videos that I don't answer questions, so I was kind of curious about that. I try to answer everything that's asked of me, and so I posed the question to him. What was his question? So we'll see what happens. Alright. Screw time. Take on me. Alright. Alrighty. That looks pretty sweet. There's a little goop around the door. There we go. Well, does it roll? Look at all this pink stuff, man. I ain't digging it. Yeah, she rolls. But usually the cars with the real rider wheels don't roll that great anyway, because nature of the beast, I guess. So, what are we going to do with this mess? I don't know. I guess we make a junkyard, you can make a junkyard car. Got pink windows. Black Beetles. Pink interior and a broken pink engine.
Any SoCal Del Taco and pick up a custom Jack FM sticker for your car. Jack FM sticker.
Or I could give it away. I could put it back together as a giveaway car. There you go. Give it away. I have to put new wheels on it though, so it don't roll with the hood. That doesn't look too bad with a little pink accent there. Okay, man. That's it. That's it. Another episode in the bag. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.